Hello guys, welcome to the new lecture of chemistry and we are studying the structure of atom. Till now we have discussed about these topics and today we are going to discuss about different spectra of atom, that is absorption spectrum and emission spectrum, and also we will solve the numericals on hydrogen spectra. Let's start. Now guys, let's discuss about the dual nature of electromagnetic radiations. Dual means two. Therefore, dual nature means two type of radiation. So, electromagnetic radiations has two types. One is wave nature, another is particle nature. And both natures we have discussed in the previous lecture. Now, in the previous lecture, we discussed about the wave nature, that the electric field and the magnetic field both are perpendicular to each other and they compose an electromagnetic radiation. And we studied about different type of electromagnetic radiation in the previous lecture. Also, we discussed about the photoelectric effect. Light comes and strike on the surface of the metal and electron comes out. So if something is coming and striking and removing it from its place, it means that momentum has been transferred, and it has some momentum means it should have some mass, and if it has mass it will behave as a particle. So combining both the natures, the energy E of the photon is given as E is equal to hc by lambda. Now what is lambda? Lambda is wavelength. Now we know that light has a wave nature, and if it has had the wave nature, therefore it will have some wavelength. Therefore E is equal to hc by lambda. And if we consider it as particle, then it will have some mass. Therefore, according to Einstein's equation, E is equal to mc square, where m is the mass of the photon, this should be the energy of the photon. Now since both are the energy, taking the equation number 1 and the equation number 2, we can say that E is equal to hc by lambda, that should be equal to mc square, right? And from here we can find the value of mass, that is h upon lambda c. So m is the mass of the photon. So that's how we can find out the mass of the photon. Let's solve a question based on it. In this question he is asking phenomena related to the particle nature. So we have the two natures. We have wave nature and particle nature. Now first is reflection. So what is reflection? Reflection is the bouncing back of light when it strikes to a surface, and that is the wave nature of light. Refraction. Refraction is when the light passes through a transparent medium, it changes its angle and its speed becomes different. So that is also the wave nature of light. Diffraction. Diffraction is the change of the direction from the edges of a particle or a substance. That also shows the wave nature of light. Now, the last is scintillation. Scintillation is when a particle strikes on a surface, it forms some spark or it leaves a point behind it. And if it is leaving a point behind it, means it has some mass. Therefore, the phenomena related to the particle nature is scintillation. So, fourth will be our answer. The answer is option number 4, right? So let's discuss about spectrum of atom.